680's Richard Southern joins us now. And Richard, it seems that Canadians have been rushing in droves to buy all-day breakfast from McDonald's and other fast food joints. You're taking an exclusive first look at the numbers.
Yeah, that's right. So starting back in February, Francis, McDonald's and A&W started offering breakfast 24 hours a day, and McDonald's doesn't break out its Canadian sales, so they don't detail exactly what they're selling. But numbers I'm getting here exclusively from the NPD Group show Canadians are hungry for all-day breakfast. Look at this. Since February, Canadians are eating 140,000 more breakfast sandwiches a month. And since February, Canadians are eating 240,000 more hash browns a month. Breakfast in the afternoon growing at a 5% clip. And we're seeing sales apparently peak between 6 and 8 p.m. So Canadians loving breakfast for dinner. The big concern here has been that McDonald's would sort of cannibalize other parts of its menu. People would not be buying the more expensive burgers and they'd be buying the breakfast instead. But numbers I'm looking at here show that has not been the case. The average bill size at McDonald's has actually gone up since February, and that indicates, Francis, that people are just adding on some of these breakfast items to their regular order. So look for other chains like Tim Hortons to perhaps start to roll out all-day breakfast, because it has been successful for McDonald's.
You know, we're just party animals. We wake up late, right? It's like 4 in the afternoon. We need breakfast.
Absolutely, and it works any time of day. And you know, Canadians drink a lot of coffee, and these sort of items tend to go well with coffee too.
Right, blueberries, and the crop is massive, and it's causing prices to fall for farmers, but not so much for consumers.
Yeah, not yet, but the blueberry crop in North America near a record high. Canada and the U.S. producing 400 million pounds of wild blueberries last year, double the average. The crop this year expected to be as big, if not bigger. Prices to farmers plunging from nearly $1 a pound back in 2011 to just 25 cents a pound today. U.S. blueberry farmers suffering a bit more than those in Canada because our favorable exchange rate is helping to sell our blueberries. The drop in prices to farmers hasn't trickled down to retail customers yet, although you may expect to see blueberry prices trickle lower as the summer wears on, Francis.
Cannot wait for the blueberries to hit the height of the season.
They're good for you.
They're so delicious. So tech stocks tumble for a second day here as traders unload some of the biggest names.
Yeah, this has been the big story ever since Friday afternoon. That's when we started to see some of these big tech names sell off, and investors continuing to punish them today. BlackBerry shares down 5%, $14.11. Apple was down 2.4% today, just above $143. Amazon down 1.3%. Netflix falling more than 4%, and Facebook was down almost a percent as well. These stocks have been the best performers this year, so traders are booking profits. We had Goldman Sachs, the big U.S. bank, out on Friday talking about some of the risks in these stocks now that they've gotten so hot, and a couple of analysts have actually downgraded Apple in the past couple of days. So investors pulling back their tech holdings a bit, Francis.
So Forbes is out with the list of highest paid celebs over the past year. Who's on the list?
Topping the list, so maybe surprisingly to some, is Sean Diddy Combs,
Really?
Puff Daddy. I know.
That is surprising.
Because he hasn't really had any hits on the air. He made $130 million over the past year, and it really is due to marketing deals. He has a vodka company, and he has a big Sean John clothing line as well. Number 2, Beyonce Knowles. She pulled in $105 million from her tour. J.K. Rowling, number 3 at $95 million, boosted by the publication of a new Harry Potter play. Drake from Toronto, $94 million over the past year. He has big endorsement deals now with the likes of Nike and Sprite and Apple. Number 5, Cristiano Ronaldo, the soccer player for Real Madrid. He has big endorsement deals too. Number 6, The Weeknd. We were just talking about his new video shot in Toronto. $92 million. Yeah, he's great. Howard Stern makes $90 million. Coldplay pulling in $88 million. James Patterson, the author, at $87 million over the past year. And rounding out the list, LeBron James. He too has big endorsement deals on the go, Francis.
You and I must be like number 1 billion and 500 million or something. Yeah?
We're a little towards the bottom of the list. Yeah,
no kidding. So Starbucks is teaming up with Lady Gaga for a good cause.
Yeah, this is interesting. Starbucks Canada just announcing this today. They're teaming up with Gaga for a set of highly brightly colored summer drinks, and we're looking at some of them here, new summer drinks. And they're going to give these so-called cups of kindness. They're going to give 25 cents from each of these drinks to Gaga's Born This Way Foundation, which has an ongoing campaign to encourage kindness. The drinks includes 2 of Starbucks' famous pink drinks and 2 new beverages as well. Starbucks contributing a minimum of $250,000 to Gaga's foundation, Francis.
So no Gagachinos, just a fruity summer drink.
Yes, these look like they're easy to drink
cause.
for summertime. We had the Chocochino a couple of weeks ago here. It was very heavy.
All right, thank you, Richard.
Thanks.